Whoa!
This is Lewis.
I knocked him out. I hit him in the face.
Throwing a spiral. I can't get enough light. Woo! Coming at you.
Good, buddy. Oh, a little wobbly there.
Wait, don't throw it. Hold on.
Wait, stop.
Good.
There you go.
Good. Ah, that was a duck.
Lewis is only 4 years old.
Good.
Pretty nice.
Nice. Now you're catching it really well, buddy.
Whoa.
Perfect. Good.
One day, I don't really want to be a football player.
You do or you don't?
Yeah.
Nice throw, bud.